Top 5 architecture schools in the Philippines based on the board passing rate of June 2022 plus a complete job guide for fresh board passers. Yan ang tatalakayin natin sa video na ito. Ako nga pala si Engineer Morgan Sai ng Ilocano Defenders. So marami nagtatanong sa akin, Coach, ano nga ba yung 5 architectural schools na magandang pasukan and a complete job guide? So coming in at number 5 is Ateneo de Davao University with a board passing rate of 84.21%. Ang kanilang tuition fee ay nag-range from 130 to 195,000 pesos per year. Number 4 would be Polytechnic University of the Philippines in Santa Mesa, which has a free tuition fee dahil isa itong state university. Meron silang board passing rate of 84.85%. Coming in at number 3 would be Mapua University with a board passing rate of 85.96%. They have a 39,000 to 43,000 quarterly tuition fee. So, 4 na quarter ho yan sa isang taon. Coming in at number 2 would be UST, University of Santo Tomas, with a board passing rate of 88.24%. Ang kanilang tuition fee ay nag-range from 50,000 to 60,000 pesos per sem. And at number 1 is the University of the Philippines with a board passing rate of 97.01% average. Ang kanilang tuition fee ay nag-range from 40 to 50,000 and above per year. So, marami mga companies ang naghahanap ng mga fresh board passers na mga architecture course, no? So, sa mga fresh architects, ito ang job guide para sa inyo. State Properties Corporation, naghahanap sila ng mga architects with a salary range of around 25 to 32,000 pesos and above per month. Mind Concept General Construction Inc. with a salary range of around 25 to 30,000 pesos and above per month. Global Visions Events and Marketing Network Inc. with a salary range of 28 to 35,000 pesos and above per month. Secure Air Corporation with a salary range of 35 to 60,000 pesos per month. Wei Yuan Construction Management Inc. with a salary range of 27,000 to 45,000 and above per month. Vectors Construction with a salary range of 25 to 30,000 pesos and above per month. DDC Land Incorporated with a salary range of 30 to 45,000 pesos per month. Philippine Hautai Construction Co. Inc. with a salary range of 30 to 60,000 pesos per month. One Midori Asia Inc. 25,000 to 60,000 pesos salary range per month. Econ Global Builders Corp. with a salary range of 25 to 45,000 pesos per month. Alpha Build Contract Developers Inc. with a salary range of 35,000 to 45,000 pesos per month. Alpha Land Corporation with a salary range of 25 to 30,000 pesos per month. Nabaja Builders OPC with a salary range of 20 to 28,000 pesos per month. Credibuild Development Corp. with a salary range of 28,000 to 35,000 pesos per month. Nation Star Development Corporation with a salary range of 18,000 to 30,000 pesos per month. E-Land Corporation with a salary range of 25 to 35,000 pesos per month. RHK Land Corporation with a salary range of 30 to 35,000 pesos per month. AGC Concepts Builders with a salary range of 18 to 25,000 per month. Neptel Design and Build with a salary range of 25 to 30,000 pesos per month. Camox Philippines Global Division, 59,000 to 81,000 pesos per month. Longboat Development Corp. with a salary range of 35 to 70,000 pesos per month. Department of Public Works and Highways with a salary range of 24,000 and above per month. pool permits with salary range of 30,000 pesos and above per month. So for mga fresh board passers, ang mga salary range ay nagde-depend kung ano yung skill level mo sa iyong architectural base. Kung ikaw ay mas mataas na honor student at magaling ka sa mga subjects mo sa architectural design at meron kang creative mind, mas magaling mag-design, syempre mas mataas ang initial offer sa iyo. Pero marami yung mga support architects ang hinahanap, kaya iba-iba yung salary range, no? So, pwede kayo mag-apply sa mga iba't ibang mga kumpanyang nabanggit ko ito at iba pa para sa inyong maging future career. So, ito nga pala ang inyong complete job guide mula sa Coach ng Bayan. Ako nga pala si Engineer Morgan Sai.